Is your Armoury Crate installation stuck at 80% or completely freezing? We're fixing it right now. First, method 1, ensure a clean slate. Close all apps, disable antivirus, uninstall old Armoury Crate, then restart. This removes conflicting files and processes. If that doesn't work, method 2 addresses deeper system integrity. Open command prompt as administrator and run a cfc scan now. This repairs damaged Windows files, crucial for stable installations. Still stuck? Method 3 focuses on essential driver updates. Update chipset, GPU, and network drivers via Device Manager. Confirm Windows installer service is set to automatic and running, and inactive service halt setup. Finally, method 4 tackles compatibility and permissions. Always right-click the installer, select Run as administrator for proper system access. Trying compatibility mode for an older Windows version can also work around stubborn installation glitches. Get your Armoury Crate running smoothly, guaranteed.